One, okay?
Nakadakot ah.
Okay? Nare-record na natin. Paano to?
Dati naman yun kasi gini.
Paano to takasan? Uy! Nandiyan na sila. Paano? Wait lang. Dito, pasok tayo sa ilong. How? Can we escape this? Oo nga nakakatakot talaga to, quiz. Horror games yung mga nilalaro namin. So, paano natin tatakasan yun? Nakatingin sila. Teka lang, baka kasi may kailangan tayong gawin. Baka may clue. Baka may clue. What is the clue? Oh, ito na siya. Baka nasa iyo yung clue. So, the title is acceptance. Acceptance. Kailangan nating tanggapin yung mangyayari. Kasi yung title niya, acceptance. So, paano natin tatanggapin? Kasi naglalakad-lakad-lakad tayo. So, stay put lang tayo. Wala nang dun wala nang tao dun
Baka iwasan siya.
Paano?
Kapag nandyan siya tapos magtalikod ka din.
Paano to, guys? Paano to, guys?
Namatay naman tayo dyan eh.
May mumu dito
You know.
Labas! Labas! Kainin mo na ako! Wala na!
No!
Takbo! 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 What's happening? What's happening? May pintuan pala doon! He said it was fine. That you just accepted it, the pain would stop. But lying to yourself doesn't make it go away. Okay. Sus, nakailang try tayo. Ganun pala yun. Kailangan pala. Go to the next spot na naman tayo Sige. Ayun. Baka doon tayo nanggaling.
Baka. Doon yata tayo eh.
Thank you sa Rose Creeks. Hindi, baka iba na to.
Baka iba naman yan.
Iba na naman tayo.
Yan.
Ito ba yun? Hindi ko matanggal So, navigate the darkness and find a door. So, dapat hindi tayo malalaglag. Kailangan natin ng door.
Yung laman niya dilaw? Baka street lang yan eh.
Hindi, may iba-ibang daan. Okay. Iba-iba yung daan. Sige, try natin diretso lang muna. Ay? Malalaglag tayo. Ayusin natin. Straight, tapos left.
Oh?
Up. Straight, left, right. Kailangan makahanap tayo. Ay! Visit. Straight, left, straight, right, left. Buisit ka. So, maliligaw na tayo. Ulit. So, nanggaling tayo. Doon tayo nanggaling, di ba?
Doon.
Tapos, dito naman tayo. Straight, left.
Baka nandyan naman yan eh.
Visit ka. Ayun may door doon. Ayun may ilaw. Ayun.
Iba-iba yung
Sige.
Dan. No!
Dito tayo. Ayun may ilaw doon kanina Meron na naman. Asan na ilaw? Sige, dito tayo. Ay, may ilaw na naman dun.
Oh,
Okay lang yan. Kahit mali. Saan yung ilaw kanina? Okay lang yan. Ulit-ulitin natin. Makukuha din natin yan. Uy! May kamay! May kamay! May kamay! May kamay po. May kamay! May kamay! May kamay, G!
Live yan?
Oo.
saan?
Kanina nandun sa baba. Yan, may door.
Oo, anak.
Totoo, bakit? Ay, totoo ba to?
Baka, yun! Nandiyan naman yan. Saan tayo? Saan tayo?
Mali, mali. Wala. Wala, di tayo makalabas. Balik, balik. Manggugulat yan kayo eh. Isa-isa. Takot. Hi. Hello. Hello po. Hello. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo? Hello. Ako si Ro. Hi. Ate girl. Hello po. Hi. Baka maling... Oy. Hi.
No. Yun na! Yun na!
Baka maling pintuan yung pinasok ko. Why do you keep denying the truth? Are you afraid they'll come after you if you tell someone what they did? Huh?
Ulit naman tayo. Ha.
Second na. Weight of forgiveness. Ako na. Collect orbs. Reveal the exit.
Yun na,
So,
yun
bumalik
na,
tayo
yun na.
kanina.
Ay, bumalik naman yan eh.
Bumalik tayo kanina. Kailangan natin makakuha ng orbs. Yan, okay. Collect. 1. What? Why did they do this to me? It hurts so much.
Dapat pa 6.
Oo, 1. Put. Nalaglag. Nalaglag ako. Ulit. Isa pa lang nakuha ko. Ayun. Meron na.
Yun.
Ayun. Okay, second down. How can they do this to me? I hate them. Walang lilipad. Walang manggugulat. Ay, port naman. Yun. 3 down. I don't want to carry this pain forever. Maybe it's time to heal. Pag nalaglag tayo, uulit na naman eh. Walang manggugulat. Wala pong manggugulat. Sige, mag-right naman tayo this time.
Di ba nakagina to doon?
Hindi ko alam. 3 na lang.
Yan, wala yan.
Ang hirap naman. Saan ba to tutungo? 3 na lang eh. Nasaan na mga orbs? Ay! Ayun! Okay. Ayun. Punta natin yan. Kailangan tayo magdiretso at kaliwa. Yan, para 4 na. I guess I understand what they had to go through. 2 na lang. Dapat pala ginaganon natin, G, oh. Oh, para makita natin yung kabila. Ayun, oh, tulad doon. May daan doon. Uy!
Uy, yun.
Ano yun? Ayun.
Yun.
Ayun, may orb doon sa kaliwa. Last na lang. Should I forgive them? Head to the door. Where is the door? Huh? Yun. Sige. That is the door. The door. Over there.
Eh, layo. Yun.
Ito ba yun?
Ay. Layo.
Yan!
Ay.
Yes, the door. Oh my God.
Yeah. Yup.
Kakatakot naman to. Ba't ganyan naman to?
Yeah.
May tao.
Yay.
Hello? Yes, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Hey! What is it? Ba't namatay? Okay, to the door. So, pag diniretso natin, makikita natin yung yung matanda. So, paano? Babalik tayo? The weight of forgiveness. Ayoko sa'yo.
Yun, oh. Yun, gusto siya.
Don't look back! Run! 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 Takbo! 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 Don't look back! Don't look back! Don't you dare! Run! 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 It's not easy to forgive someone who left you with scars you didn't ask for. Kung yung kawalan is to make you feel lost, yun talaga yung naramdaman ko. I feel lost, ang hirap, nangangapa. I was on edge the whole time. So, yun lang. With that, thank you so much, guys.